Welcome to my kitchen, and today one of my twins, Vara, will be joining us. She is a baker, a photographer, and above all, she loves to eat. So here is Vara.
So today we're gonna make something sweet. This is because my mom, she really likes to have sweet stuff after dinner, and she's just trying to be more healthy in her dessert choices.
So what you gonna make today?
We're gonna make date energy bites.
Dates energy bites.
Yep.
These better be delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So what all do we need?
All right. So.
Yes.
Dates.
Dates.
We have vanilla. We have milk chocolate.
After uncontrollable laughter, looking at the size of chocolate chip, we finally decided to start the preparation for energy bites. So the first thing was 1 cup dates. We get this bag from Costco. It's pretty good, but me being me, I'm going to select each and every date, inspect it, and then cut it down into bite-sized pieces. Even though everything is going to go into a food processor, but that's what I do. In goes almonds, 1 cup slivered almonds, coconut, but by the looks of it, I think we'll be needing more coconut. She's adding 1/4, but I think half a cup is going to be perfect for this recipe. So we're going to add some later. 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. These are my favorites. All kind of seeds, pumpkin, sunflower. And as I said, more coconut powder. This is unsweetened. So we're going to keep a check on the sugar content of this dish, because anyways we are adding chocolate chips, so this coconut powder is unsweetened. Here comes the chocolate chips. I will let them put chocolate chips because I would like them to enjoy it too. If 1/4 cup of chocolate chips make them happy, then be it so. In goes chocolate chips. And next is vanilla extract. It's the simple one, the generic that we find at Harris Teeter, Safeway, Giant, Food Line. Nothing special. Generic vanilla extract. We're going to transfer it to a food processor, or in my case, Vitamix, because I don't own a food processor. Every year during Christmas, I think about, okay, this is the year I'm going to buy a nice looking food processor. But no, then I cancel it and then think about maybe next year. So everything goes in the food processor and we're going to pulse it. We're not going to make it into a fine paste, but we'll keep it coarse because we like to have a bite to it. Vara really enjoys baking. I have twins. Lara, the other twin, have no interest whatsoever in baking, cooking. But if you have any question related to fashion, she's the girl. You should go. But this one here, she loves baking. Check the consistency of the mixture. If it's too dry, you can add a drop of a teaspoon or two of water. Like I did, plain simple water, and then pulse it. And transfer it to the plate. And then we're going to start rolling them into balls. So as I was telling you about Vara, often when she's studying late, she comes down and she announces, okay, I feel like eating something sweet, so I'm going to bake. And then we have 11 o'clock at night baking sessions, which are really nice. We enjoy. I have seen that sometimes when we are cooking with our kids, we try to take over, we try to tell them how it should be. At least that's what I do, and I'm trying to improve on it. I try to let them take the lead. Still working on it. It's a sticky mixture.
So this is around the consistency that we're looking for after you pulse it in either a blender or food processor. Okay. So this is what we have so far. Now we're gonna take this and roll them up into little balls, cubes, whatever, and put them in this.
And when you're working with kids, things get messy. Oopsie. Coconut powder. Never mind. It happens. And it's okay to be messy.
We're gonna use some coconut powder to bind it together.
Not bind.
Oh, to cover it. Okay.
Now it's time to roll the mixture into balls.
So you can put olive oil in your hands just so that it doesn't stick because it's chocolate. I'm gonna take around something that's around this size. And then we're gonna just like go around to make it around something that looks like this.
Vara used to get something like this from Whole Foods, and they come in square shape. I never liked the taste. But this one I really love. Simply because I know what's in the recipe and how fresh the stuff is. And it's pretty simple to make. If you look at it, it only took us 5 minutes. And healthy, homemade, delicious snack. The only hard part of this recipe is to roll them into uniform balls and then cover with coconut powder or coconut flakes. I think this is a good recipe to work on with your kids. Good family time. I don't think anyone can mess it up. It's that simple. And 1 cup of dates and 1 cup of almonds gave us so many balls. I like small bite-sized pieces rather than a big size. Now, time to test and taste. Look at these. Gorgeous looking. Taste it. Taste it?
Yeah. This is how it looks.
Well, I don't think it's healthy for me because you have put so much of
Sure.
chocolate chip.
It's so good.
It's good. Healthiness is questionable. Delicious.
That's good. That's all that matters.
Do try it and let us know your reviews. Enjoy. And thanks for watching. And do look out for our next episode. Bye.